Hi angels, hi my loves. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about a Coach belt in signature canvas. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, go ahead, give me a like and keep on watching. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So this is a men's Coach belt in signature canvas. And I just wanted to talk about the men's and the ladies Coach belts today in signature canvas because Christmas is coming up and these make such a nice Christmas present. So this is a men's Coach belt and it's made with calfskin leather on the interior. The interior of the belt has beautiful calfskin leather right there on the interior. So it's very durable leather and it comes with a bar right here, this hardware, and the men's belts are cut to size. So basically they have holes. They have the regular settings right there that are holes that are pre-punched by Coach into the belt, but also on this end right here is flat. So if you see right here, you can go ahead and open that. You see how I just opened that? And then you can pull this out and cut it to size. So you can go ahead and pull it out and then you can cut this belt to fit your sweetie, to fit his size. You can either do it or you can get him to do it, or he can take it somewhere to most cleaners that do alterations or to a leather expert. You can take it somewhere and have it cut to size. So that's the good thing about the men's belt. Some of them are cut to size. And like I showed you, that part is removable and you can go ahead and put it back on if you like, after you're done cutting it and measuring it to the size of the person that the gift is for. Some of the men's belts have different hardware. Some of them have like a silver hardware and some of them have like a gold hardware. So it's really, really nice that these belts are adjustable and that you can go ahead and cut them to size. The men's belts are very thick. They're very durable. And some of them have the CC logo on them. The women's belts are a little bit more thinner, a little bit more feminine, and a little bit more thin that they have on the Coach Outlet website right now. But I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about these lovely belts because they make a really nice Christmas present. They make a really, really nice Christmas present for him or her, for your sweetie. And like I stated, this one right here is a men's one for my honey, and he can go ahead and cut it to size with the belt buckle to suit him and to fit him. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is the giveaway. It's giveaway time, you guys. I wanted to go over the giveaway, and I have to say that this time we took a little minute before we came back and we talked about the giveaway. So this time around, I'm going to be back quicker this next go round. So this one right here, the blue, is the current giveaway size that we are giving away today. Right here. Okay, you guys, I had to go and grab the giveaway booklet that I have all the entries for the giveaway in. I did have a family member pick out the giveaway winner this time around. Next time around, I was a little rushed for time this time, so I had a family member pick it out. Next time around, I will go ahead and draw the winner right here on camera with you guys. But all the entries were Titanium, Mono's Beauty, Queen Bee, Mike Page, Melissa's Corner, Jan Morrow, Assunta Paladina, RPB, Carolyn Radcliffe, Cheryl Shelton, Bay Blessed 981, and Victoria Sanchez. So those were all the entries. And next time around, I will go ahead and do the drawing on camera, and I will have the winner of the giveaway for the size 7 Crocs right here will be somewhere here or here. And congratulations. We still have quite a few of these Crocs to give out, and I'll come back next time around for this Croc right here, and this is a size 10 in the black. You guys know I like to alternate the colors. You guys know if I do a blue or one of the floral ones, then next time I have to do a black. So since the winner for the size 7, it's a blue. This time around, we're gonna do a size 10 in the black, and I know there were several entries the last time for a size 10. So fingers crossed, I'm hoping you guys enter my giveaway again for this size 10. And we're winding it down here. We're almost at the end of the Croc giveaway, but no worries. I told you guys we're gonna keep it rolling here with more fun and more giveaways. So after we're done with all of the Crocs, and we still have a few to go, then we're going to be doing other giveaways. So this giveaway will be for the size 10. All you have to do to enter is go ahead. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you'll know anytime I upload. And while you're watching, to know which pair of Crocs I'm giving away, go ahead. Remember that you have to give this video a like, as well as put Croc size 10. So just be subscribed, give the video a like, and put Croc size 10 in the comments section, and you'll be entered for the Croc size 10. Okay, the next giveaway that will be coming up on my channel will be for the Uggs. And I went ahead and picked up bags for all the Ugg prizes. So as you receive your Uggs, you will receive them like they came new from the store with the packages. And we will be giving out these Ugg socks right here. So I have a bunch of Ugg socks, and we're going to go ahead. The next giveaway will be for these Ugg socks. And I'm just going to you won't have to enter. They're all one size. So when we're ready to start the Ugg giveaway, I just wanted you guys to know that it was coming. But when we start it, all you'll have to do is go ahead and put Uggs in the comments down below. So we'll go ahead and take care of that giveaway pretty soon in some of my upcoming videos. And I just want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me every morning. I have so much more coming on my channel, so many more unboxings, so many more fun videos. So continue to stick with me for this journey. And I know the giveaways are going along, and Christmas is almost already here, you guys, in a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna come back faster and do the giveaway videos, you know, because I don't want to stretch it all the way out until Christmas. And Christmas is gonna be right here anyway in a minute. So I'll just make sure I come back faster so we can keep the giveaways going, so that we'll get through that Ugg giveaway. Really, in other words, I'm basically just trying to say every couple of days, I'm gonna bring my butt back on camera, and we're gonna be announcing winners, so that I don't keep you guys waiting for too long before I do a giveaway announcement. Oh, I couldn't get that out. Okay, so I'm rambling on, and I want to see you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little belt review on the Coach coated canvas belts, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.